To transfer money internationally using OFX, start by opening a web browser and navigating to the OFX website, specifically the secure login page at secure.ofx.com. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so and then verify your account details. Once you've completed these steps, you can proceed with the transfer process. On the OFX website, you'll find various options, including transfer history, recipient information, and account details, all accessible from the top menu. To initiate a transfer, go to the Transfers section, where you can view your transfer history, including open and completed transactions. Here, you can also add new recipients and view the exchange rates applied to your transfers. After setting up your transfer, simply send the funds to OFX, and they will be forwarded to your recipient. The entire process is straightforward, but keep in mind that account verification is a necessary step before you can start making transfers.